the snow playing, ain't I? Yeah, I am. Alright. I'm playing like a big kid. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm driving around. I'm punching this motherfucker up to about 80. And then ski sliding. Fuck is they making snow angels. That's what I'm doing. Shit, I'm bored. Let me go parking. Alright. I wanted to come play in the snow. But I don't want to, I'm too grown. It's too cold to just be out in it. So I'm out here just working on my Fast and Furious rendition. That's what I'm doing. Hold on, here we go. It's a nice little curve too. Now, kid. Hey, I ain't doing nothing crazy. Somebody gonna be in the comments like, man, get out of here with that little light ass drift. It's all right. That's all right. I got to crawl before I walk. Fuck you, mean? I'm drifting up this motherfucker though. I'm drifting. Ain't no such thing as brakes right now. I'm letting you know now. If you out here in this weather, public service announcement, you hear first, Jack. Forget the brakes. Ain't no such thing as brakes. It's over. I'm ready to do some bullshit right now. I'm ready to try to skeet out something. Word. I'm bored. Having fun. Hey, big boys can be kids sometimes, man. Y'all leave me alone. Don't crucify me in the comments. I'm being safe too. Oh Lord, I know my grandma and my aunt's gonna be like, boy, what's wrong with you? Come on, y'all move y'all cars, man. I'm trying to have fun, man, with my high performance features. Oh, he sliding too. Look, that shit's scary. Why he got his hazard lights on? You know what's going on out here. What are you talking about? Alright. Oh, wow. Look at my main man, though. Drift. Yeah, he drifted. Yeah, drifted one time. Drifted. Nigga don't want to play. Drifted. Drifted. He don't want to play, man. He don't know I'm trying to do that on purpose. Why can he say, well, I'm trying to do that on purpose. Yo, hurry up the light. Let's see what he do. Let's see what he do. All right, yo, fuck it. I know what I'm gonna do. Ski! I'm drifting. Sitting sideways. I'll turn this shit sideways. Yo. Nigga out here playing in the snow, man. Playing in the snow. I'm ready to turn this shit sideways, Jack. No funny. Hey. We drifting, B. Oh, niggas is getting stuck. Yo, niggas is getting stuck. They gotta get their performances up, man. Whoa. And I'm gonna go right in this spot. Liquor stores ain't open enough. This shit real out here. Yo, this shit real out here, B. They ain't gonna be satisfied that they get stuck somewhere, I'm telling you. They ain't gonna be satisfied that they get stuck. Yo, I'm out here drifting, man, playing in the snow. That's what I'm out here doing, boy. I'm about to go back in the house. I ain't gonna lie to him. Oh, shit. Drift. Yo, we outside drifting, B. It's lit. Fuck it. We drifted. Word. That's what we doing. Drifting. drifting. Hey, hey. It's a good traffic block right here. Hey, heavy sidewalk action, cut slicer thin, and sideways in the turn though. Fuck is they talking about? This how you get your handle up. And this how you practice your handle. Shitting me? All jokes aside, this is why I have 0 crash rate, cause I practice. I know how to handle this motherfucker in all conditions. Yeah. I know how to handle this motherfucker in all conditions. Oh, we about to hit this shit hard. Look. Ooh. Ski. I'm gonna go my same tracks too. I'm gonna follow my same tracks. He fucking it up. Look at this nigga, man. My main man, photo finish, man. Fucking up my drifts, man. I'm drifting, man. Go get them pictures somewhere else. I'm playing in the snow just like you playing in the snow. This motherfucker. Send this motherfucker. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh, every time I want to hit a good turn, there's already somebody crossing the street. Hey. Don't worry, y'all. I ain't gonna get stuck. My tires will melt this snow. Got this shit on 82 in here. I'm ready to take this jacket off. Yeah, but I'm just having fun, man. I'm drifting this snow. I'm about to go in the house, though.